Hi, today we'll draw balloons and make a paper collage. Start by drawing an oval on a sheet. Now draw a letter V at the bottom of the oval. Then draw a tiny little circle below the letter V. After that, make a straight line like this and your balloon is ready. You may draw more balloons at the side. And to tie them together, add a bow at the bottom. And now, don't color it normally. Instead, tear small bits of pieces from old magazines or newspapers and paste similar colors together to make a collage like this. You may overlap the bits of pieces, but don't leave any white gap in between. Complete it nicely and your paper collage artwork will be ready. Have fun!